Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Messenger login error. First, you need to check your internet connection and go to the icon bar and your internet is connecting or not. Then, if your internet is not connecting, then connect the internet, open the Wi-Fi or data, and it doesn't work, then switch on the Wi-Fi to data, data to Wi-Fi, and it's still not working, then open the airplane mode for few seconds and turn off airplane mode, and it is still not working. You need to check it first if there any kind of updates are available for the app or not. If you are Android user, go to the Play Store, and if you are iPhone user, then go to the App Store and go to the search the app name. If you see there updates are available, then update the app and go back to your app and check it again. After all doing this, if it is still not working, then go to your device setting and go to the app management and tap on the app list and search for your looking application. And if you see there storage and cache, then go to the storage and cache, do clear cache. Sometimes storage are also might be problem for the app and do clear storage. After all doing this, if your app is still not working, might be problem of server issues or apps, then you also ask for the support team. And it is still not working, then wait for a few seconds and after restart your device and reopen the app and check it again. Thank you. That's how you can fix your Messenger login error problem. I hope you guys are liked it and it helps you. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.